some more consonants to do, yes? Yes, we are going to look at some more consonants and the words beginning with those consonants. Let's look at our first one. Okay? Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Yes. We are learning to read. We are learning to look at the word that begins with that particular consonant and the spelling too. Now we are doing letter K. Another consonant. Capital letter K, small letter K. What's the sound of K? K. K, king. Who is this? King. K, king. Spell king. K. I. N, G. King. Very good. Spell king. K, I, N, G. King. The word king begins with the letter K, consonant K. Yes? Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's take a new picture. Look what you have here. Consonant K. What is this? Key. Sound K. K, key. Spell key. K-E-Y, key. What do you do with the key? You open the cupboard, open the door, open your house. Yes? Key. K, key. Spell key. K-E-Y, key. Good. Let's take a new picture and learn to read the word that begins with the consonant K. K, consonant K, sound K. K, kite. What is this? Kite. K, kite. Spell kite. K-I-T-E, kite. What a beautiful, colorful kite. Where does the kite go? Up in the sky. Who makes the kite? Daddy. Good. Consonant. The word kite begins with the consonant K with the sound K. K, kite. Let's look at a new picture. Good. Here we are. Consonant K. Kitten. Good. This is the kitten. What's the sound of K? K. K, kitten. Spell kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. K, kitten. Spell kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. The word kitten begins with the consonant K. Good. Let's take a new picture. Look what you have here. Consonant K. What is this? Kettle. Good. Kettle. The word kettle begins with the letter K. K. Kettle. Can you spell kettle? K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle. Good. Spell kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle. What do you put in the kettle? Tea, coffee, hot water, anything. Yes? Good. Let's take another picture. Look, this is another consonant. L. Capital L, small l. What is the sound? L. What is this? Lion. L. Lion. Spell lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. The word lion begins with the consonant L. L. Lion. Lion. Spell lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Where does the lion live? In the jungle. Good. Let's take another picture with the consonant L. Look what you have. Consonant L. Sound L. A little lamb. Oh, so cute they look. Isn't it? Baby lamb. Lamb. Let's spell lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. What does the lamb say? Meh. Cute, isn't it? Spell lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Baby. Okay? A baby animal. Oh, cute it looks. The word lamb begins with the consonant L. What's the sound? L. Shall we go to another new picture? Look what you have here. L. Capital and small L sound L. What word is this? Leaf. L. Leaf. Leaf. How do you spell leaf? Leaf. Leaf. The word leaf begins with the consonant L. Sound L. Where do you find the leaf? In the garden, on every single plant, you see a leaf. You see leaves. Let's take a new picture and look at the word capital L, small l. Letter L sound L. What is this? Lemon. Lemon. What is lemon? You cut this lemon, lovely juice you can have. Yes? Spell lemon. 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 The word lemon begins with the consonant L. Sound L. Spell lemon. 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 Good. Let's go to another picture. See what you have here. L. L sound. What is this? Lock. Lock. Spell lock. 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 The word lock begins with the word L. Sound L. Lock. Lock. Spell Lock. Lock. The word lock begins with the consonant L. Let's take another picture. This is another consonant, letter big and small, M. Sound M. Consonant M. What is this? Mango. The word mango begins with the consonant M. Sound M. Mango. Spell mango for me. Mango. Mango. Do you like to eat mango? Both green and ripe? Yes. Spell mango. 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 Good. Let's go to another picture. Letter M. Sound M. What is this? Mouse. 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 Spell mouse. 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 The word mouse begins with the letter M. Sound M. Good. Let's go to a new picture. Look what you have here. Letter M. Sound M. Mug. Spell mug. M-U-G. Mug. What is the sound of M? Plus ug. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. The word mug begins with the consonant M. Yes? Let's take a new picture. Look what you have here. What is this? Monkey. Where do you find monkeys? On the tree. They sit there in the forest, in the zoo, where all you can find. Letter M. The sound is M. Spell monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. The word monkey begins with the consonant M, and here's the cute little monkey. M is the sound of M. Spell monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Good. The word monkey begins with the consonant M. Let's get on to another new picture. See what you have here. Sound M. Mouth. Mouth. Spell mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. The word mouth begins with the consonant M. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. Another consonant, N. Capital letter N, small letter. What's the sound? N. The sound of N is N. What is this? Nose. N. O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Nose. The word nose begins with the consonant N. N-O-S-E. Nose. What do you do with the nose? You smell. You breathe with your nose. Good. Let's get on with the new picture. Letter N, sound N. Nest. N. Nest. The word nest begins with the letter N. Spell with the consonant N. Tell me the spelling of nest. N-E. S-T. Nest. Say it again. The word nest begins with the consonant N. Spell nest for me. N-E-S-T. Nest. It's a cute little nest. The two little chicks inside. They look lovely, isn't it? Good. Let's get on with the new picture. See what you have. Letter N, sound N. What is this? Nut. N-U-T, nut. Spell nut. N-U-T, nut. The word nut begins with the consonant N. Beautiful, isn't it? N. Spell nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. Very good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. What is this? Nib. N-I-B, nib. The tip of a pen. Nib. The word nib begins with the consonant N and the sound of N is N. How do you spell nib? N-I-B, nib. Who writes with the pen that has a nib? Your teacher, your daddy. Good. Lovely, isn't it? Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. Letter N, net. Net. Spell net. N-E-T, net. The word net begins with the consonant N. Sound N. Spell net for me. N-E-T, net. What do you do with the net? You can catch a butterfly. You can catch fish. Collect leaf from the tank. Yes? Net. Spell net. N-E-T, net. Good. Shall we take another picture? See what you have. Another consonant. Big letter and small letter. Cap letter, small letter. P. What is the sound of P? Purr. Purr. What is this? A little pig. Purr, egg, pig. Spell pig. P-I-G, pig. The word pig begins with the consonant P. Yes? The sound of P, purr. Purr, egg, pig. Good. Let's go to another picture. And look at the word that begins with purr. Look, purr. Puppy. Purr, uppy, puppy. Spell puppy, P-U. P-P-Y. Puppy. The word puppy begins with the consonant P. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. You like to have a puppy for yourself? Good. We learn to read the word, spell the word, and recognize the word begins with the consonant P with the sound purr. Let's go to another picture. See what you have here. Parrot. Look, cute little parrot sitting on the little branch. Spell parrot. 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 The word parrot begins with a consonant P. What's the sound? P. Good. Learn to read the word. You learn to say the consonant sound. P. The word begins with the P. Consonant P. Good. Let's go on with the new picture. Look. P. Letter P. Peacock. Look at the beautiful peacock. Spell peacock. 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 The word peacock begins with letter P, sound P. P is a consonant. Peacock. Peacock. Good. Let's take another word. See what we have. Plate. What do you do with the plate? You eat in the plate, isn't it? Colorful, flowery plate. Lovely. Plate. 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 Spell plate. 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 The word plate begins with the consonant P. Good. Let's take a new picture. Here is another consonant. Q. Capital and small q. What is the sound? Quack. Quack. Quiet. Quack. Now. Quilt. What is this? A colorful quilt they are making. Spell quilt. 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 The word quilt begins with the letter Q and sound qua. What are the two little girls doing here? They are patching up different colored pieces, and that is called a quilt. Let's take another picture now. Q. What is the sound of Q? Qua. Queen. Here is a beautiful, pretty queen sitting on the throne. Spell queen. 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 The word queen begins with the consonant Q, sound qua. Queen. Good. Let's take another picture. Letter Q, sound qua. Q. What are the children doing here? People are standing in a queue. Spell Q. Queue. Spell Q. Queue. Q. The word Q begins with the consonant Q, sound qua. Good.